This is the BushingFix.com installation video for the JL1 kit. The JL1 kit includes grease, a bushing, and an installation driver. And the easiest way to do it, if you can, is to put the driver and the bushing on a flat surface and push the cable down over it. If that doesn't work because the cable's attached to the car, you can use a pair of channel locks to carefully squeeze it into place. You want to squeeze it in about 90% of the way and then push it in the rest of the way by hand, if you can. After it's pushed through, depending on the depth of the hole in your cable end, you'll want to use a small screwdriver to get the 4 little tangs in place. And after you do that, you can use a small amount of the included grease on the pin, don't need too much, and push the cable end over the pin until it clicks into place, and check that it has free and correct movement. Thanks for watching.